Welcome to my Cybertruck review of this BASENOR product, a storage tray that they sent me. They literally wrapped this up like, with everything. It was like this thick. It was like overwrapped, I think, because it's pretty flexible. Um, it's not like it's going to break or anything. But anyway, they sent me out this product to review, and that's what we're going to do today. So I had no idea. Once I got it and looked at it, and I go, what is it? It's like, wow, I have no idea. So what I did is I came over to the truck and I literally just like threw it in there. And I looked around, I go, well, obviously it doesn't fit there. I'm looking all around in the spaces underneath the seats and between the seats. I have no idea where this thing was going to go. And then I sat down. Once I sat down and I was in here, I'm actually looking at it and looking at closer and trying to figure out, like, where does this go? It doesn't hang in here anywhere. Anyway, so finally I figured out, oh my gosh, wait, I think it goes back here. And look at that. It fits perfect back there. It's awesome. And it's good for putting, whatever you want back here. I don't know if that I would store anything that like might heat up, or sunglasses or keys or stuff that might heat up. But anything else, mints and stuff like that would work great. It's very creative, ingenious that somebody thought of doing that. The only issue that I had with it after having it there for a few days, I noticed that there was some indentation right here, and I'm going to move this so you can see the indentation. So it looks like a little bit over time it indents this. It recovers pretty well after a couple of days, but I think if you have that there for a long period of time with additional weight, it'll start indenting that. I don't know if it's going to break it or anything, so the designers might want to, make this part a little bit bigger footprint, kind of like the back here, but something along those lines so that it doesn't indent. But overall, as a storage, area for the Cybertruck that's easy to get to, I highly recommend it. See you next time.